Hey everybody, I am going to do another video for my Positivity Passport in June, and I'm probably going to do 3 pages, and I'm really loving the format of a picture and a list, or picture and a list. I really like that format so far, so I have a lot of pages that are going to just follow that, and I've got all my stamps out, my stickers out, and I'm just going to make a big old mess and see what I come up with. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina. I'm on a few design teams, and I also have a big picture class, and I will leave all that information in the description box below. So this Positivity Passport is really exactly what it sounds like. Find the positive in the every day, and you know that's how I feel. Choose joy, find the gratitude, and do your best to just keep going. So I am going to put together some pages, and I'm excited. I love playing in this little thing and making a mess, and yep, so here I go. So I'm going to start off with the spread on the right and using that sticker that says "Can't Stop Smiling," because this was our first time kind of at a public place. The beaches had just opened, and I was super nervous about going to them. My husband told me it's going to be just fine, but I was nervous, and in the end, he was right. It was fine. We paid money to get into a beach. That way it was a little bit more private, and we were able to social distance. So it was awesome. I am layering in some orange, red, and yellow washi tape, which I just love that bright summery color scheme. I'm going to put some at the top left and then on the side of the photo of my husband and I. It may look funny, the picture, but it's because we were like blinded by the sun. But it's still a cute picture, and it helps to remember our first beach day of the summer. I am going to stamp "Thankful" above the photo, and then I'm going to get out my white paper and stamp some of the 29 prompts. I think I stamped "Thankful" for this and then right here. And I just stamp a few times just so I can pick whichever one worked out the best. And I am going to put "Thankful" for this. I think I'm going to put that one on the top left, and then right here on the photo of my husband and I. And then I will add in the date with my roller stamp. And sometimes when I stamp with that, I stamp just one crisp time, and other times I stamp once and then I stamp a few times to get kind of the leftover ink and the messy look. And then also in the bottom left corner, I'm going to add another sticker that says "Looked on the bright side," and I will do the journaling off camera, and that will wrap up this one. So there you go. This one is done. I have the journaling, and now I'm going to move on to a fun one of me jumping on the trampoline. So whenever I jump on the trampoline with the kids, it's not that often because it is a smart, strategic mom skill. I only jump occasionally. That way when I do, it's like a special treat. And so if I need them to do their chores quick or do something right now, they will do it and I will jump. And so during this time that I was jumping, I had my son take a picture because he also takes a lot of photos of me jumping because I ask him to, and he got a really cool one. So I had to use it here, and I want to bring in some of the pink from the bush behind me and the green from my shirt. And also pink and green is just really like my favorite color scheme. So I'm layering in the pink and the green washi strips above my photo and in the bottom right. And I'm also just trying to pick out which stamps I want to use. And I stamp "Like a Boss." I feel like I'm constantly using that stamp. Like a Boss, Boss Mode, Get It Girl. I just love those 3 stamps so much. Stamping the date right here, I think I decided to go with green and the messy look. And then I'm just journaling about how it was a good day. Pretty sure that's what I put because it was a good day. And then I'm going to add a few more things to the right-hand side. I think with the right-hand side, I decided to do something a little bit different with my journaling. I took the stamps and I used the stamps as my journaling prompts. So I'm going to stamp a bunch of those and then fussy cut them out. Fussy cut a few, and then some I'm just going to stamp right on there. So baked all the things. I think this day we finished some friendship bread, my daughter and I did, and so I'm going to cut that out and then write about it. And then on the next spot down, I'm going to stamp and then write about it. And I thought that this was a really cool, different way to do the journaling, and I definitely need to remember to do this again in my July Positivity Passport. So now I stamped another prompt. I think, what did I pick? Currently making? I'm not sure. But I stamped that one, and then I am going to stamp another one to fussy cut, and this one was take care of yourself, and I will just write about how I am moving every day, and on this particular day it was some yoga, and then I am going to use the stamp weekly report, which I haven't used at all, but I thought that that would be a great stamp to use. First, I'm going to add love this so much on the side of my photo of me jumping, and then I will do the weekly report stamp and just say that I am rocking this mom life and I haven't gone crazy yet, or bonkers, whichever you want to say, but I'm still going and I keep going. So I'm going to wrap up that page, wrap up these pages, and then I will be done. Okay, I have a few more spreads done. I would call this 4, I guess, because this is a day, and this is a day, and this is a day, and that's a day. So 4. So I, once again, like I said at the beginning, I did a photo and a list, and that's it. And I am just obsessed with this project and really just finding the positive aspects of life during this chaotic time. So I hope you enjoyed watching these pages come to life. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.